I'm Michelle, and today we're going to share with you a Pottery Barn dupe. We are going to be doing the Brooks Crossbar Hurricane, which is around $80 on Pottery Barn's website, and we're going to do it for $8. So we'll need a couple of supplies to make this. We're going to need a glass hurricane or a vase that has straight sides. I picked this up at Walmart and it was $4.97. And then I'm also going to use a square dowel. And I picked these up. You'll need one per hurricane. We're going to make two, so I've got two here. It's a 3/4 inch dowel, pine dowel, and these are found in the molding section at Home Depot. To determine the size of our crossbar, I'm going to measure across the size of my hurricane, and it's about 6¼ inches. So I'm going to allow a little extra room there, and I'm going to cut it at 6½ inches. Should give us enough room for our glass vase or hurricane to slide in. So first thing we're going to do is to mark the length that we're going to cut our square dowels, and we determined that was 6½ inches. So did you see my pencil head? It's broken. Let's see if I can get it to work. Is it broken? 6½. There we go, 6½. And we'll just mark both of them and use a speed square to get our cut line here. I need a new pencil. So our wood is 3/4 inch thick. So what I want to do is from this center line, I want to go over 3/8 inch. So each of these marks is an 1/8. So right here is 3/8, and then this side 1, 2, 3/8 on this side. And this is the amount I want to remove. And then what I want to do is remove it halfway down. And I'll show you how we're going to do that on this saw. So once one is marked, then I can just line them all up with my little speed square here and mark and mark. So our edges are a little bit rough here, so this could be done on an electric sander, but it is so cold in the garage today. We're going to do this in the house. And I've got a medium grit sandpaper. I'm just going to go around those edges where it left a few little slivers. And just do that to each piece. So these are not perfect, but you know what? It's okay. There's a little bit of a gap here, but once our hurricane sits on top, you won't know. So we're just going to actually put these together with some wood glue. No nails, so we're just going to put some glue in between. Whoa, that's a lot. Don't need quite that much glue. I'm going to wipe off some of that. Just kind of want to spread it. I'll actually put it on this second one here. And then we'll put this piece on top. And then I'm just going to put a piece of tape across while the glue dries. And wood glue is really super strong, and so we really don't need any other type of adhesive. That will be enough. And I'm going to put a teeny bit more glue on this one. Okay. That piece of tape. Okay, now to make our, what do you call them? Legs? I'm not sure.
Well,
it holds the
candle in place.
Yes, and so they just have a little piece like that goes around. So we're just going to use glue again and attach those. So I will put, I think I'll just put the glue on the end piece, and I'll just put it halfway down. We've cut these to 1.5 inches, which is twice the thickness of the wood. So I'll just spread that on there. Stick it on. I think I'll do them all and then come back and tape them since I've got glue on my finger. It's been about an hour and our glue is dry, so we're just going to pull off our tape. You can see how well that wood glue held on there. No need for nails. And you can see our imperfections, but it's going to all be fine. You won't even notice that one. We're all done. So now we are ready to put on our stain. Okay, we just have this water-based stain we're just going to put on here to get a nice rich brown color on the entire piece.
Now you can style and enjoy. We are so happy with the way these turned out. Again, we created 2 hurricanes for $8, and that's compared to the $80 price tag at Pottery Barn. So we filled up our hurricanes with some wheat berries just to give it some color and texture. You can also use spray paint instead of stain, as the Pottery Barn hurricane holder is brass. But either way, you will get a great look for a cheap price. Thanks so much for watching. We're so glad to have you here. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, so you don't miss out on more of our DIY home inspired videos. And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. And as always here at Sunnyside Design, we hope to bring your home to the sunny side of the street.